If you're injured in a construction accident, you have a lot to lose. You have a lot at risk. It might be your job. It might be past and future wages. You should contact a lawyer right away. These are arguably the most complex type of cases that a personal injury lawyer could handle. You should always ask the attorney, are you experienced with labor law cases? Are you experienced with labor law section 200, 240, 241, 6? These are statutes that are geared directly to protecting construction workers who are injured at a construction site from working at elevated heights, or construction workers who were injured when something fell from an elevated height. And the lawyers should be experienced with cases that have high damages, cases that require one or more expert witnesses with respect to construction site safety, and the law itself is very complex. It's changing and evolving, and you should absolutely contact a lawyer, but you should ask the lawyer, are you experienced with construction and labor law accidents?